So, Manju, we are back in a lockdown, and this time the lockdown has come with summer holidays in school. At least I'm having my summer holidays in school. But I think
I love. Yeah.
in all this chaos and sadness, there's one good thing. I see one positive aspect that parents can actually focus on children in their academics, in their writing, and just to bridge that gap if the child is having difficulty in reading. Because schools will open, academics will matter, especially in the Indian society. So, what are the special education programs that we at Ananya are offering?
Yeah, we thought about it, Isha. We've been getting inquiries from parents, and also I was talking to my own family members now whose kids are like they have summer holidays, they are in primary school, and they were asking what to do at home. Give me some ideas, give me some tips. Otherwise I have to end up, making them either watch TV or give a phone or an iPad or something. So what we did is we designed a few programs for this summer holidays. It could be for any child. It could be, little behind in learning and all. So the first program that we came up, the most favorite program for India will be math program.
Oh,
So it
yes.
is math program 1 and 2 we've designed. In the first math program, we do basic number concept, counting, simple addition, subtraction, addition with carrying forward, subtraction with borrowing, and simple word problems. And in math 2, we are doing place values, simple multiplication, division, 2 and 3 digit multiplication, 2 and 3 digit division, fractions, and story sums. Basically, if children are able to do this, the next level they can do on their own if they learn this. This is like the foundation of mathematics. So these are like most foundation courses that we are doing. And the next is reading. One of the most important skills that I have seen children don't have is reading skills. And somehow we don't inculcate reading habits because now we have screens. We think that watching YouTube video, listening to stories is as good as reading a storybook, I feel that children need to be encouraged reading, and if they are struggling with reading, then we have a very good 4-month, like a kickstart reading program for children, which makes them start reading and develop interest in reading, give them confidence in reading. Then we can guide the parents after that on how to continue the reading habit forward. So that's one program that we're doing, and we do similar thing for Telugu and Hindi as well for children who usually children who don't who are not able to read English are also not able to read Telugu or Hindi or any other language that they study in school because it's language related difficulty. So here for Hyderabad, for Telangana we are doing Hindi, Telugu and English for now. And then another important area, English spelling is a big problem that children face. So we are like trying to take our special educators' help, and we designed a program where children can master spellings, in the summer holidays in the next 2 months. Maybe some children need longer, but at least these 2 months that they have can be put to use. That can give them a little bit of time to pick up and catch up with the rest of the class. A lot of children again struggle with writing, handwriting, cursive handwriting, holding the pencil correctly. Don't have, they cry every time somebody asks them to write, either it's at school or at home. They cry a lot and they say, my hand is hurting. Sometimes parents don't know why. They don't lie. Children don't usually lie. If they're repeatedly complaining of the same thing, I'm sure there must be some problem that they are facing. So I suggest that that somebody, like an OT or a special educator can help them by, correcting if they have mirror images, if the size of the letters is too big and they're not able to write between the lines, if they are confused between the letters, if they're not able to copy from board, it's like copying from a vertical plane to a horizontal plane to their notebook. If they're struggling with, cursive writing or their grip, and sometimes the posture, they're not sitting correctly. So there could be many reasons behind that. So with the support of a special educator and an OT, these challenges can be corrected, and in these 2 months, you can see huge improvement in, children's writing skills. So these are some of the programs that we are offering this summer, and I'm hoping to continue them even after the summer. By the looks of it, these are already, you know, with we just launched them yesterday. We've had so many inquiries from parents that yes, we want that. So yeah, these are the programs that we are launching during summer now, immediately actually. From
one thing that I realized with my conversation with you last time, that I was asking about for my nephew, right? Writing problem for my nephew. When he's completely developing age appropriately. But something that I realized very well was that these programs can help children who are very young and are just entering academics also. These are programs are not only meant for children who lag behind or who have a gap. It can actually assist. I mean, I've started with through all the exercises that you had said, and I can see that the concentration needs to improve with time if he does it regularly, and it's going to help him also. So that is something that I really realized that. Do you think that that makes sense? Or that
yes, it does, Isha. Actually, these are small things which will have huge impact on children's outcomes and performance next year when they go back to school. Because for children, they need little bit of help here and there. Only when they go to middle school and high school, these so-called small challenges will become very big challenges. And the children will struggle to overcome these challenges because it has been years since they're doing these wrong things or inappropriate things, folding the pencil or correcting the posture. Everything becomes a problem when they become high schoolers and teenagers. It's always good to start when they are in their preschool, when they are, you know, in their primary years, because they are more willing to learn and they listen to us very easily, and you can really make them do things. It's flexible for them. And anyway, we suggest the parents that 0 to 7 is the most important window in a child's life. So 0 to 7, whatever corrections can be made, those will remain lifelong. If they are not made, they will also remain lifelong. The choice is ours, what we want to keep, you know.
No, I did realize that if I put the foundation right with him right now, he is going to benefit it after a few years maybe, but then the foundation is going to be right completely.
You know, after being a parent to 2 children, the one who has ASD, the elder one, and the second one who does not have ASD is neurotypical. Whatever I did with Varun, wherever I saw challenges with Pranav, I used the same methods with Pranav. And they worked wonderfully, you know. We used to do mathematics worksheets for Varun. I used to put, Varun was, it was into, what are the languages. So I used to put some language scripts and all on the worksheets. And for Pranav, I used to put dinosaurs. Pranav used to enjoy the worksheets because of dinosaurs, and Varun used to enjoy the worksheets because of that. You know, I don't think there's any child in this world who doesn't need help in some area. You know, if it's a special child, they might need more help, you know, but all children need help in some area or the other. It's up to us to see where they need help and step up and help them. Then be in denial and say, he does not have any problem, I don't need to help. The child will learn on his own or her own. It's the teacher's job to help my child, not my job. I think it's everybody's job. If you have noticed that there is a challenge that the child is facing, help the child. That's it. It's as simple as that. We don't need to label. We don't need to do anything. Just help the child. We only talk about labeling when the child needs so much help that there is a need for a label to go to specialists for help. If there is no need of any of those things, then just help the child. I mean, helping at home is the best way to help the child. You know?
So the last thing that comes, though we have talked about it, but I mean, just putting it across, all these programs can be done online also.
Yes, they can be done online too, for sure. So we were thinking, how do we do it for other children? I will have I'll have to discuss with my team and come up with a way to engage children during these holidays. Yes, it can be done online. For some typically developing children, we might do groups, and for special children, we might do one-to-one online. But it is possible online. It can be done online. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.